Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I'm with Nate and his 1966 Ford Bronco, and his son Connor is here. And Connor, you said you were in second grade when your mom and dad got this?
I was in second grade when we bought this. I'm now a freshman in college.
Okay.
Yep.
So you actually graduated a couple times, huh?
Yes, I did.
All right, good.
Well, thanks, Tom. Go ahead.
Nate, go ahead and tell us about the story, because we were talking before I started shooting, and you said it's got quite a unique story.
So my wife and I, we were looking for a vehicle, and she really was into a truck like this, and she really was looking for a International Scout to start, and really couldn't find one in the condition that we were looking for, and ended up scouring the internet. And who uses Craigslist nowadays? Well, this guy in Kentucky uses Craigslist. So we found this on Craigslist, drove all the way down to Louisville, Kentucky. The guy was unfortunately a little hard up on money, and we ended up picking it up for about $15,000.
Wow.
Since then, we've had offers as high as 50 grand for the truck, which we're not interested in selling it. But it is 1966. It's number 380 off the serial line, first year Bronco. It is all original. We were looking for something that had a clean body, rust-free, something that we had a pretty good canvas to work with. Anything regarding mechanical, drivetrain, electrical issues, we can work that out, sort that out a little bit easier. So sourcing a lot of parts from Tom's Ford Bronco up in the Pacific Northwest. We've converted the brakes over to a all-wheel disc because it took her both feet to get this thing to stop. And she likes to drive barefoot to get a little bit more control. So now we can actually stop the truck. It has the original straight six motor, which is a 170 cubic inch, 110 horsepower motor in it. It's got the original 3-speed transmission in it, original gauge clusters. Everything pretty much is original to the vehicle.
Okay, and while you're talking, I'm going to wander around.
Absolutely.
I love a three on a tree.
Yes, it can be a little tricky at times, but and it doesn't have a lot of high speed, but it certainly does have the torque. Yeah, let me pop the hood too.
Okay. And were the seats in it when you bought it, or
the seats were in it?
Okay.
So that is not factory, but it works for the age appropriate to a degree.
Yeah. And is it a hard top or a soft top?
It is a hard top. We don't like the hard top, so we never use it. It just sits in the garage. You'll throw a cover over it, take it out and wash it every now and then. But it does have a hard top with it. But we did sell the hard top because we're just never going to use it.
Yeah.
And we got a pretty premium for the hard top.
There you go.
So for us, this is perfect. That we'll be able to just have a nice vehicle to take it out on a great day like today and enjoy the day. So.
And the color, it just pops.
The color is absolutely beautiful with it. Love the white and the red. It's very classic. But yeah, definitely had to get the 66 plate for it.
Yeah.
Love to find the original one, but that would be like a diamond in the rough.
Yeah.
So, but it is fun to get in here, take the kids down to Ted Drew's Ice Cream in St. Louis, get the dogs in here. The dogs love the ride. His face is usually in the windshield, so I got to clean that off when I get home.
And it's a 66, and you go on Route 66 down to Ted Drew's.
That's correct. It's a hummingbird feeder. Everybody loves to see this thing.
Oh, heck yeah.
You know, the new Broncos just aren't it. These old ones are where it's at. It's pretty cool.
Isn't that amazing? Your instrument cluster, that's all it was.
It's so cool, yeah.
Can I open the door?
Absolutely, go ahead. Not much to it, is there?
No. And you said you are going to rewire it?
Yeah, so we're going to do a whole new wire. They make an OE original wiring kit that's available through companies like Tom's Ford Bronco.
Yes.
And we're going to place an order for that kit and then tear it down over winter and basically gut all the electrical wiring and redo the whole wiring kit back to OE.
I'm just looking at the knobs.
So the gauges could use a little polishing down there, but they are tarnished. But you know what? It works for what it has to do.
Yeah, it's so utilitarian.
Yes, 100%.
And
my wife's a redhead, and she just gets called all day with this thing. It drives me nuts. So the only thing that's not factory on this car, obviously, is the master cylinder for the conversion of the brakes, for the power brakes and the disc conversion, and then the air filter and intake. The cleaner that was on there was really just too tall and too tight for the adjustments of the hood.
Yeah,
and so this is actually my father-in-law and I created that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's a homemade air intake. But it works to sit on top of that carburetor without hitting the top of the hood like it was.
Now, is this the original factory carburetor?
It is. Yep. It's been cleaned up. Original radiator, original fan. Original, obviously, the block itself is all original.
Yeah.
Again, no top speed, but a lot of torque, so it certainly does like to jump on you. You pop the clutch out on it, but you're not going to get to 70 mile an hour in 6 seconds with this thing.
No. It's so simple, though, too.
It
That's
is,
what's
yeah.
so cool about it.
Yep.
Well, anything that we've left out that we should cover before we wrap things up?
I don't think so. Like I said, we've been offered quite a bit of money from the local guys, the Gateway Bronco guys,
Yeah.
the guys that do Velocity, the guys that want these tubs,
Yes.
and they turn around and make a very customized one for $150,000, right?
Yes.
And but we're not really interested in. We'll probably hang on to this thing for a while. So.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
a guy out in L.A., Jonathan Ward.
Okay.
He was a child actor, and he takes the Broncos and tricks them out. He
Does
also-
the modifications.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. Maybe if we're hard up on times or we go into a big recession crash, maybe we need the money, we'll do something, but not right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Outstanding. Well, thank you so very much.
Thank you, Tom.
Thanks for sharing the story behind your Bronco.
Absolutely. Pleasure. Thank you.
Yes.